In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Accessibility and Convenience. Now scroll down again, this time to click on one-handed mode, and use this gray switcher to activate it. Following that, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, mine is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same, now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!